Welcome, Earth Guardians! Today we're journeying into the core of the Earth's crucial life support system, the mighty Amazon rainforest. Picture a realm so abundant, so vivid, that it pulsates with the very essence of life itself. The Amazon, spanning across 9 countries in South America, is the Earth's largest and most biodiverse tropical rainforest. From the towering treetops to the thriving forest undergrowth, this green haven is a hotbed of life. The Amazon houses approximately 400 billion individual trees, accounting for over 16,000 species. This rainforest is not just a luxuriant landscape, it's the planet's green lung, a colossal carbon sink, absorbing gigatons of carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. But the importance of the Amazon transcends this. It's a sanctuary for an unbelievable diversity of wildlife, sheltering over 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of plants, and thousands of bird and mammal species. From immense trees to elusive wildlife, this ecosystem is a rich repository of biodiversity. The Amazon is not just another rainforest, it's a vital pillar in maintaining our planet's health and climate stability. Let's start by casting our gaze upward. The Amazon is a cathedral of towering trees, such as the Grand Ceiba, with some reaching over 200 feet in height. These titanic treescapes are more than simple trees. They are the pillars of this thriving ecosystem. The ceiba tree is a skyscraping habitat, providing home to a plethora of life forms. Its dense canopy, acting like a natural umbrella, shields the ground from the intense sunlight and creates a cool and damp environment beneath. This shady refuge underneath is a bustling microcosm, teeming with life. High up among the branches, you'll discover plants that have evolved to be arboreal, thriving off of the tree itself. The bromeliads notably stand out amidst these tree dwellers. These captivating plants latch onto branches, absorbing the limited sunlight. Their cup-shaped leaves function as natural reservoirs, collecting rainwater and providing a vital source of hydration for birds and insects. These mini ecosystems within the bromeliad's leaves showcase the remarkable adaptability of life in the rainforest. Venture a bit higher, and you might notice orchids flaunting their vibrant flowers. With over 25,000 known species, orchids are the divas of the plant world, with their vibrant colors and complex forms attracting the gaze of all. In the Amazon, numerous orchids have evolved to form unique symbiotic relationships with specific insect species for pollination, epitomizing the intricate web of relationships that underpin this ecosystem. However, the foliage of the Amazon also hosts more devious life forms. Consider the pitcher plant, a rainforest carnivore. These plants have evolved a fascinating adaptation to supplement their nutrient intake by trapping and consuming insects. Their leaves form a deep, slippery cavity filled with digestive fluids. Insects tempted by the plant's sweet nectar fall into this lethal trap, providing the plant with essential nutrients. These carnivorous characteristics of certain plants add another layer to the complexity of life in the Amazon. The trees and plants of the Amazon, in their myriad forms and adaptations, underscore the incredible richness and importance of this ecosystem. Now, let's delve into the buzzing universe beneath the canopy. Overflowing with insects, the Amazon is a sanctuary for a myriad of colorful butterflies, resonating bees, and even gigantic ants, underscoring the importance of teamwork. Prepare to be astonished by the lively and varied insect life in the Amazon. Each leaf, each blossom, each square inch of soil is a platform for the delicate yet essential performances of life. From the hypnotic ballet of the iridescent butterflies to the ceaseless buzz of the industrious bees, the Amazon presents a symphony of life in its rawest and most stunning form. It may astound you to learn that more than 20 million individual insects inhabit just 1 hectare of the Amazon rainforest, each playing a pivotal role in the ecosystem, from pollinating plants to breaking down dead organic matter. Let's spotlight one standout, the hummingbird, amid these millions. These diminutive wonders, with their shimmering feathers and swift wing beats, are a spectacle to relish as they flit from flower to flower, sipping nectar. They are not just beautiful to observe, They are indispensable pollinators, facilitating the reproduction of plants. Now, let's shift our focus to the ground level, where the leafcutter ants are diligently at work. These hard-working creatures are the agriculturists of the insect world. They sever leaves from trees and transport them back to their subterranean colonies. But these leaves are not for their consumption. They use them to farm a fungus, their primary source. Observing these ants at work is a marvel. Each ant, though merely a fraction of an inch long, can haul a leaf up to 20 times its body weight. That's the equivalent of a human hoisting a car. It's a testimony to the strength and tenacity of these tiny creatures. But it's not just the ants' strength that's remarkable, it's also their cooperation. Each colony operates like a well-tuned machine, with every ant performing a specific function. From the workers who sever and transport the leaves to the queen laying the eggs, every ant contributes to the colony's survival. While leafcutter ants toil relentlessly, carrying leaves many times their size back to their underground colonies. However, the Amazon's charm extends beyond just its insects. This rainforest serves as a sanctuary for remarkable mammals such as the formidable jaguar, the sluggish sloth, and the colossal capybara, all of whom play a pivotal role in balancing the ecosystem. We begin with the jaguar, the majestic feline sovereign of the Amazon. Jaguars, the third largest cat species globally and the America's largest, are not just a spectacle for their golden coats adorned with dark rosettes. Their swimming and climbing prowess makes them adapt effortlessly to the Amazon's dense forest and intricate river networks. More importantly, jaguars are the ecosystem's natural regulators, preventing overgrazing of vegetation by controlling the population of other species. This underscores the significance of each creature's role, irrespective of their size, in sustaining our planet's equilibrium. Now, let's shift our pace to match that of the sloth, a creature known for its leisurely lifestyle. Sloths are essentially the Amazon's gardeners. They play a vital part in seed dispersal, thus aiding in the forest's replenishment with diverse plant species. Their slow movement allows algae to grow on their fur, which not only assists in their camouflage, but also serves as a sporadic snack. Thus, even at their slow pace, sloths are far from being unproductive. Finally, we focus on the capybara, the literal heavyweight in the rodent world. Capybaras are a key food source for many predators, including the jaguar. Their social behavior and aquatic lifestyle offer a fascinating insight into the Amazon's biodiversity. This underlines the interconnectedness of all Amazonian life forms, each playing a significant part in the rainforest's grand tapestry. From the sloth's unhurried demeanor, the dominance, to the capybara's social dynamics, it's evident that the Amazon rainforest is an ecosystem of giants. Here, every creature, regardless of its size, plays an essential role in preserving the harmony of this extraordinary ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is not just a visual spectacle of beauty and wonder, but a critical element to our very existence. It showcases the incredible diversity of life on our planet, from the treetops that scrape the sky to the underworld, teeming with life unseen. The Amazon breathes life into our world, acting as the Earth's green lung, creating a remarkable 20% of our planet's oxygen. Each creature, each leaf, each droplet of water contributes to this complex and essential ecosystem. The significance of the Amazon goes beyond its biodiversity. It's a pivotal player in the global climate, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year, serving as a colossal carbon sink. It's a potential cure-all, housing a myriad of plant species, many of which hold medicinal properties yet to be discovered. But the Amazon rainforest is under threat, and its protection is a matter of urgency. Each tree saved, each species protected, is a step forward, a victory in the quest to preserve this breathtaking wonder. It is our collective responsibility to safeguard this irreplaceable treasure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon. May our exploration inspire you to consider the vital importance of this incredible ecosystem. Until next time, explorers.